It's me. Let's write M.
Let's write M. Big M, top touch, bottom touch. Pencil off, back to the top and down to the bottom, up to the top, down to the bottom. Big M. Small M starts in the middle. Middle touch, bottom touch. Back up, middle. There's one mountain and one more. There's a middle touch and a bottom touch. Small M. One more time, big M. Top touch, down to the bottom, pencil off, top, down to the bottom, up to the top, and straight down. There we go, big M. Small M, middle, down to the bottom. Let's make some hills. One in the middle, one more in the middle. Small M, big M, small m.